Good afternoon. This is Dr. Zain Agha from the Forex Mentoring Program.com. Just recently, I introduced a new trading system called the Most Profitable Forex Trading Systems. And my clients, my students, they purchased it. And so yesterday was the very first day and today was the second day. So I'm going to go over it and show you what trades were there and did you take those trades or not, did you make money or not. Please leave your comments so that I know. And those of you who have not purchased it yet, just have a look how powerful this system is and how much money it can make for you. So we open the charts now. Okay, here is the pound dollar cable pair, and yesterday was the 12th of August. These vertical lines, they represent the London Open 8 o'clock. It's London Open 8 o'clock. Now in this system there are certain indicators here, up there, but I am hiding those indicators for obvious reason. So I'm going to just show you where we got the entry and where we got the exit. So this was the London Open on Monday. This one, if you look at the time here, the time is 10 a.m. That is the server of the broker. So the broker server is 2 hours ahead of London time. So 10 a.m. means 8 a.m. London time. So at 8 a.m. London time, there was a signal to go long. So we opened a long trade at the open of this new candle. So we took a long trade at the open of this new candle at 1.20645, and we place our stop loss up here about 5 pips below this low, approximately here. So the low was 1.20285, about here. That's it. So this is what we are going to risk. So we are risking, how much? We are risking about 40 pips, 41 pips. Okay, 40 pips. So we make 40 pips up here somewhere on this. Yeah, it goes as high as 42.8. So we get our 40 pips here. So what we're going to do, we're going to open 40 pips, we make profit here. Okay, and then we look for the next signal. The next signal we get is here, but the time now here is 5 o'clock early morning. So for those of us who are in UK, in Europe or America, it's no good. But for those who are in Indonesia, Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and in Asian countries, they can trade this. So they get a signal here at 3 a.m. They get the signal here, so to sell. So they sell at the open of new candle here, this candle. Okay, so sell at 1.20684, and they place their stop loss somewhere here above this most recent high, which is 1.2084. So it's 2089, 208. There it is, 2089. That's our stop loss, and this is our entry. So we are risking 21 pips. So you get your 21 pips profit here. Okay, so we bring in our notepad and we write down, it's a GBPUSD, and it was 21 pips 21 pips profit, and then we wait for the next signal, and we get the next signal here. Now this is on the following day. This is today at 1 p.m. That means at 11 p.m. London time, you get a signal to buy here, and you place your candle here and you buy at the open of this candle. Okay, so you buy at the open of this candle here, this one, and then you place your stop loss here. This is the most recent low, so let's get rid of this line. So you are risking 44 pips. Okay, so you're looking for a profit up here somewhere, 44 pips. But what happens? 44 pips up here somewhere. Up here. Okay, but what happened? The market goes down, and as the market goes down, we get another signal to get out. So this is the signal to get out here, and it's a signal to go short as well. So we get out here, so we make a loss of about 19 pips. Okay, 19 pips. So we open this, and GBPUSD, I get minus 19 pips, minus 19 pips. Okay, and then you get another signal here to go short, which is here in the open of this candle, and we place our stop loss here above the 5 pips high here. Okay, and we are going to have 35 pips, 34 pips. So we will put a here 34 pips. This is a take profit level. So we are still in the market. The market is still going down. So maybe later this evening or by tomorrow, your target will be hit. So far you have made a profit of about 2 pips, 20, so 42 pips so far. Okay, now we're going to change the pair. We are going to take GBPAUD. We are still with British pound. Now let's see GBPAUD. Okay, here is your London Open, and here is your entry. You're getting a buy signal here. So at the open of this next candle, you buy 1.7803, and then you put your stop loss here somewhere here below. Okay, here it's a bit too close, so you better put it here 5 pips below this one. 7736, so it will be 7731, 7731. Just let me see. Low was 1.7710. 1.7710. So it's going to be 1.705. 1.770. There it is. So this is what you're risking. So you're risking about 97 pips. Let's see, do you get 97 pips here? Yes, you get 113 pips. So you will get your 97 pips here. Okay, so this was the GBPAUD. So GBP, GBPAUD, and the profit is 93 pips. Okay, 93 pips. Let's see, we have another signal. Yes, we have another signal here. I have removed the rest of the indicators. So I'm looking at my laptop. I have the same chart with the indicators, and I'm looking for the signal on my laptop, and then I'm showing it to you here. So here we go short, okay, and we place our stop loss above the most recent high here, which is going to be this much, somewhere here. So you're risking 38 pips, 30 and 139 pips. You're risking 38 pips, and you get your 38 pips here somewhere. It goes to 44, so you get your 38 pips here. So GBPAUD, and you get how much? 38 pips. 38 pips, right? Now you're looking for the next trade. The next trade we get is here, this one. This signal is here, so we are going to take enter here at this price, 1.73. So we're going to enter the market at 1.77846, and we're going to place a stop loss 5 pips above the high. So high is 1.7911, so 7916, 7916, yeah, somewhere here. So this is going to be your stop loss. So you are risking, you're risking 130 pips. So you're looking for 130 pips down here somewhere. 130 pips. Okay. Now one more thing. 130 pips is somewhere here. Okay. Now one more thing. You see, this is the last support here, right? Support. It didn't penetrate the support. It stays and went back. And you see, similarly, this candle came in, touched the support, and started going back up. Now this is coming back down here, and if it does not break it, then the best thing is to get out from here. Exit your trade here. Okay, so let me see. If you exit here, then your profit will be about 78 pips. Instead of 130 pips, it's going to be 78 pips. Okay, this is coming down very slowly, but so far, how many pips is down? It's in profit of about 41 pips, 42 pips, 40, yeah, about 42 pips, 44 pips, right? So it's going to go down, and if we get out here, we don't know how far it will go, but even supposing if you close the trade now, you will get a profit of 42 pips. Okay, let's see, we close the trade now, 46 pips. Okay, let's go. 42 pips, I think. GBPAUD, and the profit is 42 pips. Okay, this was the second pair. Now let's go to the third pair. The third pair, we will take it GBP and JPY, Japanese yen. This is the one. Okay, right. Now here at 8 o'clock London time, 8 o'clock is 10. Here, okay. So we come here, but we don't see any signal. The signal we see is here on this arrow. So we see the signal here. So we buy here, and we place a stop loss here, 5 pips below, and let's see what we are risking. We are risking about 55 pips. So we are in the market all day long, and today we get the 55 pips here, somewhere here. Okay, so this is the only trade on GBPJPY. So we got 55 pips profit. So let's go here. The GBPJPY, and we got how many? 55 pips. 55 pips. Okay, now this is the pound pair. Only 3 pairs I've traded, but there are so many other pairs, the euro pairs and the Australian dollar pair and everything. So anyway, I'm just giving you an example, an idea how much profit you can make. So the total is, let's do the total, and I'm going to count the total together. So it's 40 plus 21 plus 93 plus 38 plus 42 plus 55 minus, we lost one trade, this was the 19 pips, minus 19, so we make a profit of 270 pips is equal to 270 pips in 2 days on only 3 pairs. Okay, so how's that? So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope those who have purchased the system, they have traded this way or somewhat similar. Please do write your comments down below, so I will know how you traded. And those who are new, just like to tell them, if you want to get hold of the system, this is the website, this is the link for the system, zforexco.uk/zforextrader.html. Okay, you go there and you buy the system. You will recover the price in just 1 day. It's very reasonably priced at $197. So you can recover much more than that trading just the mini lots. Okay, so have a nice day, take care, and share it with your friends if you can. So see you next time. Bye bye.